Are you struggling to get a perfect sleeve fit? In this few steps, I'm going to show you how to draft a sleeve like a pro. Welcome back my people. In this video, I'm going to show you two different kind of sleeve. We have the normal sleeve and the puff sleeve. We'll start by measuring the normal sleeve, which is measuring the full length of your sleeve, which is 12. Then you go up on the upper part, you measure 2 inches on the upper part like this. You measure your 2 inches. After marking out your 2 inches from the upper part there to you measure 4 inches downward, then you connect a straight line to it like this. After connecting your straight line to it, then you measure your armhole of whatever your armhole is. Mine is 8, which is 16 inches. Then you measure your 8 inches to it like this, then mark it out. After then, you connect from the 2 inches up at the upper part to the 8 inches. You connect it with the curve area, like the curve ruler or whatever you call it, but this is a curve area. You use a curve side to connect it like this. Then you go down to the down part of the sleeve. You measure your round sleeve or your curve, whatever you know it as, but I call it curve, my sleeve curve. And you measure what you have there, then you connect the lines together like this. After connecting all the lines together, you go by tracing the lines very well. After tracing the lines very well, then you write your name, the name of the sleeve, which is the normal sleeve. It's obvious. For my beginners, you guys should know that okay, this is the normal sleeve, how to achieve the normal sleeve. Then to start the puff sleeve, you have to turn the pattern to the other side. You turn the pattern to the other side, then you start by measuring. You measure 3 inches on the upper part. Practically you measure 3 inches. After measuring 3 inches, then you measure the full length of it. You measure your full length. From the 3 inches you measure 12 or whatever it is that you want. Then from there you mark out a straight line on the 12 inches, the sleeve itself. Then you go up. You start from that 3 inches. From the down part of the 3 inches you measure 3, 2.5, whatever it is, depending on how fat or how big your client is. Some, like those that have all this Christian mother, you have to measure like 3 or 4 inches on that side. Then you connect from there. From that 3 inches you go down, measure down. From that 3 inches you measure 4 inches, like the way we did on the normal sleeve. Then you measure your armhole on it. On the straight line you measure your armhole like this. After measuring your armhole, you go down, you measure your round sleeve or cuff. Then you connect it together like this. After connecting, you now go to the upper part where you measure the 3 inches. You connect it like this together. Connect. You place your ruler very well. Then you connect it like this. Then you move to the upper part for you to get a proper way of doing it. You measure this. Start by measuring your 3 inches. For me, I use 3 inches on this. Then you measure your 3 inches like this. And from that 3 inches, you connect it together to the armhole. connected like this. So because the reason why we are connected like this is the fact that it it's going to puff out. Those are the place the 3 inches we measured previously is what you're going to pleat on the upper part before joining the other side. You're going to pleat that side for it to pop out, for you to have a very pop sleeve. So you can see from the picture of the video how it looks. The difference between the two is that you measure 3 inches before the normal sleeve. You have to measure 3 inches above before measuring the normal sleeve. So I hope you understand this video or this I've said to you. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So the difference between the two is just that you measure 3 inches before the normal sleeve itself. So guys, if you're new here, don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And for those that are my followers, please thank you for following me for more amazing videos. See you in my next video. Bye.